festival during the pandemic is a complete triumph of technology as well as endeavor. Hats off to the organizers for organizing such a seamless experience of workshops and screenings. It was an excellent, fascinating experience.
I found that this is a really good initiative by the government, and I could able to feel the many people who attended the conference. It could have been not possible if it is a physical and conference. I can say that even myself attended many talks and without going anywhere. That is very interesting, and you can just log in and see whatever you like and any talk that you want to see and watch.
This is the first time I am participating in the International Science Festival. It has been a great experience to participate in a science festival like this, because I could explore various research organizations like CSIR, DRDO, ISRO, interact with various industrial personnels to see various projects from school students to startups, to meet various personalities, etc. The one event which attracted me the most is the Industry Academia Conclave, where a panel of different industry professionals discussed about the happenings in industries.
We got so many ideas about science and many more technology things, and with these few things, and we are very happy to do it, right? And after this pandemic, we are doing this. This is a big opportunity to us to do like it.
I was associated with India International Science Festival on behalf of VIPNet Vigyan Prasad and Vigyana Bharati. I am a resource person and coordinator of Student Science Village in India International Science Festival for past 4 years. I have been worked in offline in all the places like Delhi, Chennai, Lucknow, and last year 2019 it was held in Kolkata. But this year the virtual format is quite interesting and gave me a great experience.
In earlier editions, people used to go to visit the stalls in physical way. So that time there is some limitations. But this year what happened? People are getting the opportunity to come and join in the ISF in virtual mode, and this year 41 event has been organized, and during this 41 event people can easily access every event whatever they want to go, and this can be possible only because of this virtual mode.
I consider this is going to be a memorable for the years to come. No doubt it was a full of challenge to have such kind of an event on the virtual platform. When everything was a challenge, we received a great participation across the globe, and we were looking forward how to make it success. And we are very happy the way the whole team worked